Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking onto this video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I made this tasty oatmeal pancakes. You will need 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup of oats, 1 egg. You will need honey. You will need some essence. I'm using almond essence, and you'll need a cup of milk and a blender. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to add everything into your blender. I'm using a Ninja. So as you can see, I added the oats first. Then I added my egg. Then I went in with the baking powder. Then I added my honey. And I can't tell you the exact measurement for that. I just eyeballed it. Continuing with the ingredients, that's the essence. Now I'm adding the milk, 1 cup of milk, and I'm now going to just blend everything together for about 2 or 3 minutes. Now that it's all nice and blended, I just pour the mixture into a bowl as I prepare for cooking.